Are you keen to spot the ISS in your naked eyes? Then just go to your rooftop this week and look up to the sky. You might be able to spot a bright dot silently gliding across the sky. It's not a star, not even an airplane, but it's the International Space Station ISS. And aboard the ISS, we have our group captain Shubhangshu Shukla, firmly represents India in space with admiration. Over the next few days, the ISS shall be visible on Indian sky over various parts of the country, providing enthusiasts a rare opportunity to witness the orbiting lab. So watch the ISS, sail over it, and feel proud to remain connected to India's growing space journey. The ISS Detector app shows the station's exact location in real time, and NASA's Spot the Station app lets you know the next time it will pass over your area. It even allows you to set a reminder or alarm for the next sighting time. According to NASA's Spot the Station app, the ISS will be visible from parts of India starting early morning on July 8 at around 4:59 am. It will reappear that evening at 7:59 pm and then once more at 9:38 pm. On July 9, the timings is around 4:10 am and again at 8:48 pm. On July 10 brings more chances. The ISS will be visible 3 times. First, early morning 3:22 am, then early evening 4:58 pm and late evening 9:59 pm. On July 11, early risers might spot it at 2:34 am and again at 4:09 am. Finally, on July 12, the ISS will make its last pass over Indian skies during the cycle at 7:59 pm. In Kerala and parts of southern India, visibility may be especially good. For instance, the pass at 7:56 pm on July 6 offered observers nearly 6.5 minutes of clear viewing. If clouds block your view this week, don't worry. The ISS will make another appearance from July 24 to August 1st. However, by then Shukla may have completed his mission and returned to Earth. Since 1998, the ISS has been orbiting the Earth. It's an enormous football field-sized space lab that travels around the planet at a staggering 28,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, the ISS completes one orbit every 90 minutes, giving astronauts on board the surreal experience of witnessing 16 sunrises and sunsets in a single Earth day. Built through a collaboration between the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, the ISS stands as a symbol of international cooperation in science and exploration. Over the years, it has welcomed astronauts from different countries and has supported more than 4,400 scientific experiments across the fields like biology, physics, and technology. Now, it's home, at least temporarily, to Group Captain Shubhangshu Shukla, the first Indian Air Force officer to board the ISS. His presence marks a major milestone for India's space ambitions. Shukla, a seasoned fighter pilot, was chosen to join the international crew after undergoing intensive training with both NASA and the Russian space agencies. During his time on the ISS, he is contributing to a range of important experiments, from studying how microgravity affects the human body to testing systems for long-duration spaceflight. These studies are crucial to shaping India's Gaganyaan mission and future plans for sending astronauts to the moon. Gagan Yatri Shubhangshu Shukla has successfully completed the microgravity experiment involving 30 grades on board ISS. The study focused on their survival, revival, and reproductive behavior in space. This study will provide valuable insights into the underlying biological mechanisms leading to resilience of extremophile organisms in microgravity environment and has potential applications on Earth, especially in the area of therapeutics. The myogenesis study, which explores the effects of microgravity on human muscle regeneration, is progressing with planned interventions and recording of observations as per the experiment protocol by Gaganyatri. In parallel, other Indian experiments for studying selected strains of microalgae and cyanobacteria under space conditions are ongoing, contributing to research on regenerative life support systems and crew nutrition. As part of the electronic displays human research study, the Gaganyatri carried out daily software-based cognitive and interface assessments. The study aims to optimize crew interaction with digital systems in the unique environment of space. ISRO aims to inspire students and the public by bringing the experience of space closer to Earth through its outreach activities. Microgravity environment provides a great tool to demonstrate scientific principles. During this mission, the Gaganyatri is also conducting science demonstrations on board the ISS as part of ISRO's planned scientific outreach activity.